In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files using Dropbox. By the end, you'll know how to quickly share a file or folder with someone using a direct invite, a shareable link, or a QR code, and how to collect files from others with a file request. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Dropbox. In the results, click the official Dropbox link. A quick tip here, make sure you see the secure padlock icon in the address bar and the Dropbox.com domain so you know you're on the right site. Next, log in. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Dropbox homepage. If not, enter your credentials and complete any verification. Once you're in, you'll see your files and folders. Navigate to the one you want to share, then hover your mouse over it. This reveals more options, including the Share button, which is your main gateway to sending files. If you want to invite people directly, click Share and type their email addresses. Choose whether they can view or edit, add a brief message if you like, and send. This is great when you know exactly who needs access and you want to control permissions from the start. If you prefer to generate a link, choose the option to create or copy a link from the same Share panel. You can paste this link into an email, chat, or document. It's fast and flexible, especially for larger groups. For situations where printing or displaying access makes sense, like an event or a classroom, use the QR code option in the Share panel. Dropbox will generate a scannable code that opens the same link, so people can point their phone cameras at it and get the file instantly. Sometimes you don't want to send a file. You want others to send files to you. That's where file requests come in. Look to the left sidebar and click File Requests. Then click New Request. Give it a clear name that tells people what to upload, and confirm where those files should land in your Dropbox. When the request is created, copy the link and send it to anyone who needs to contribute. Anyone with that link can upload files directly to your Dropbox, even if they don't have their own account. Uploaders only see their own submissions, and everything arrives neatly in the folder you chose. That's it. Use a direct invite for precise control, a link or QR code for quick sharing, and a file request to gather files from others, all in just a few clicks.